Virginia Beach, are you ready for this one? This is an amazing Virginia Beach home. Super, super affordable because we have this one priced right. This is one of our VIP listings, and we have this one ready for you. So Virginia Beach, if you're looking for the absolutely great home in an amazing school district of Tallwood, get ready for this Virginia Beach home tour because you don't want to miss this one. So we have tons of room in this. This is 2,320 square feet, but it feels so much bigger. And this is showing as a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. But you don't want to miss this because it actually can easily be 4 bedrooms if you want it to. Because when this builder did this, I guess the seller of this home, because it's the original owner, didn't need the 4 bedrooms. So wait until you see this ginormous master or primary, I guess is what we have to say today, bedroom, because they did this huge ensuite, which could easily be another big, huge 4th bedroom. And if you want it that way, we can easily do that for you. So don't leave me before you see that. Don't leave me. And please don't forget to subscribe because I'm like 200 and some viewers away from 1,000 subscribers. And remember, people, we're in a competition here. So subscribe to me. Remember, if you're watching this on YouTube, QR code. If you're watching this on, Facebook, you just subscribe. And if you're watching this on your little phone, you just click the link. Anyhow, come on and follow me inside. You've got a 2-car garage here. You've got gorgeous siding that is in top of the line condition. So this house is super ready for you because we did our VIP listing. And if you don't know what a VIP listing is, when you call me up, what you're going to do is you're going to say, hey, Betsy, I don't have the money to redo this house and I need your capital. And when you do that, we're going to actually front the money and just charge you a little bit of a bump in actual commissions. And we are going to front the money for you. And you are going to get all of that extra money that is going to bump up your sales price, which is amazing for you. So we come in with our team and we make this house gorgeous. So before, this house looked like it did when it actually was originally purchased. But today, when you see this house, it doesn't look that way anymore. So when you come in, you've got your beautiful red door that was painted by our people. We didn't do this one to our max capacity, in my personal opinion, because we do it to whatever the seller wants to spend. But you do have beautiful LVP floors. We didn't come in and redo all of the paint. We just did some of it along the line. So you can see that a lot of this home has been painted. But we did use some of the colors that were already in here. But we did paint a lot of the home. So you have a lot of new painting. We did replace all of the carpet in this house. So you do have all brand new floors. So you have brand new carpet, you have brand new LVP floors through the entire house. So when you come in here, you will feel that this house has a lot of space. So it doesn't feel like that 2230 square feet or 2320. At that extra 100 feet matters. Size matters, people. Size always matters. So when you're coming in, you have this nice area here that you can make this whatever you want. So a lot of people today make this a sitting room or a homeschooling room or their office room or a kids' play area. Whatever your imagination needs, this is for you. Then you come in here, and again, this is supposed to be the dining room, but for all of us that are my age, we don't really use a dining room. But the 30-year-olds are using dining rooms again. Blows my flipping mind. But they are. The 20-year-olds are using dining rooms again. So dining rooms are coming back. So who knows? Whatever your heart imagines, you use this room for. So this room is spectacular. You can use this room for anything. But this house absolutely flows. So you can come on with me still. and come into this hallway here. You're going to come in through the kitchen, and this kitchen has nice granite through here, nice stainless steel appliances in here. You have the nice, beautiful stainless fridge, and brown cabinetry is coming back, as we all know. So we do have the nice brown cabinetry. You have a nice eat-in kitchen here. You do have a nice sized backyard back here. So we'll go ahead and come out back here. You do have that nice composite decking back here. And we are doing last minute touch-ups. So if you hear that phone ringing, that is our project manager who is here. So I might kill her in a second, but she's here doing last minute touch-ups and has her phone on. So let us kill her in a minute, but that's okay. So I do love things like this because these are no maintenance. So a lot of things on this house that are no maintenance. So this, you can see how great of condition this siding is in. So absolutely amazing condition. The windows, you can see, amazing condition. No need for caulking or anything. These windows still look brand new. This deck, all of the railing, phenomenal. Yes, do we need to pressure wash back here? That on us. We should have pressure washed this fence. If you just want privacy though, think of the privacy you have back here because you have nice trees, very, very nice privacy back here. I love privacy, but you just have a little yard to maintain. So if you're that person that's not looking for a huge yard to maintain, this is a great backyard for you. So coming back into the house, I do love having, the doors like this. We have a storm door on the front and the back. So if you're that person that likes that too, it's great. You also have that kitchen that you can see through into the living area. It would be nice to have a little bit more light in there. I will say that, but we could change that with some LED bulbs or throw some can lights in. You have your nice pantry here. And then your nice big living room here. If you wanted to spin around or do whatever. You can fit huge sectionals, everything here. Put your big screen up here. This is set up for surround sound. If you wanted to, boom, get a little crazy, have a little dance party, all that kind of stuff, anything like that. So this garage is packed, but we have a huge 2-car garage. Water heater is out here. Don't worry, it's not coming through your ceiling. So that's good. But if you wanted to put a lot of your, you have tons of room up here. I love the high garages because you can put shelving up here and just put storage and everything up here. That's always great. But that's a nice big 2-car garage. So, half bathroom is right here. Great half bathroom. So downstairs you'll see we're completely move-in ready. Nothing at all to do. Fantastic. Going up your stairs here. Brand new. Carpet all the way up. So this side we're going to have the 2 bedrooms. We did just realize that we have a light out in here, so we'll fix this. But you have nice big bedrooms. And like I said, the windows on this house are great. And you have nice closet space in here. And then coming in to bedroom 2, another good sized bedroom. Another great closet space here. And then I was afraid we were going to find Tiffany hand in the shower. That would have been super, super funny. But we have a nice bathroom here. So this is the hall bath here. So nice tub shower here. sink area here. I would like to know where Tiffany is hiding up here. Do you think she's outside or do you think she's hiding in here? This is like, where's Waldo? She's not in the laundry room. Maybe she ran outside. Washer dryer up here. They convey with the house. And then you have your linen closet here. This is a huge linen closet. And then this is what I'm talking about. You have this huge primary suite, but nice, huge ceilings. And before we get to the primary bathroom and the primary closet, which is huge, look at this. This was, in most of these, this was the fourth bedroom. So if we wanted to, we could close this off. And then this closet here, we would put the door here. We can't put the door there. I've already looked at this. If we put the door there, that's where the laundry is. So we would actually have to put the door here and move the closet over to here, which is easily done. But this would be a bedroom. This is a huge, phenomenal bedroom that was given up in order to make her have her sitting area. She did not need a fourth bedroom. And that's great. And somebody else might want this too. She had her office in here and stuff like that. But this is another bedroom in every house over here, which is going to boost this sales price $30,000 higher. So we are a steal over here at the price that we are at. So somebody can come in here and get this house at a phenomenal deal. So coming in here, you have an amazing walk-in primary closet. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Is Tiffany hiding in there? Do you think? No? You're sure? You sure? Nope, no Tiffany. We do probably need to clean this out. Look at how big this thing is though. This is storage for days. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down. Because I want a pretty picture. Okay. This is amazing, people. Amazing, right? This is some storage. I would have thought this was just scuttle, but look at what you find when you open the door. Yeah. Should clean this up. Okay. So, as we keep going. Woo! The things you find. Then we have the primary bathroom. So we have double sinks in here. Semi-private potty. Hello. Woo. Nice jetted tub. Sit there, relax, have your wine, have your beer, whatever you want. Nice, quiet. Hello, neighbors. They can't see you when you shower, though. Your nice shower here. If you ever wanted to extend this, you could lose that. Really don't need it. I mean, because remember how big the linen closet was right out there? I don't really know why you need this. So boom, huge shower. Great find. We are finding a lot of things in this house, especially because we are going to be priced phenomenal. So phenomenal price for this house, and boom, look at what you got. And adult height counters, so you're not peeing in the sink. Adult height. Wonderful. So we are centrally located to everything. I always love this location because right here, you know, this is the Woodbridge neighborhood. You're right here, like so close to like absolutely everything. And these houses always sell so great because you can get everything in like 5 seconds. So whenever you want to just go like to, I mean, anything. If you want to be at the amphitheater, if you want to be restaurants, there's really, really good restaurants right here. But there's really good, I mean, you're 5 seconds to, well, you're pretty close to the beach, but you're really, really close to shopping. You're super close to I mean, there's a grocery store right down the street. But I mean, if you want, the kids' elementary school is 5 seconds away, literally. I mean, like right outside the door here. So, I mean, you're close to absolutely everything. But if you're looking for a house that is absolutely move-in ready with nothing to do, you have found it here. And what are y'all going to do? You're going to subscribe to me because I continuously bring you houses every single solitary week. Every week I bring you new houses. And every week you are going to watch me on my lovely YouTube channel, bringing you beautiful video tours. And if you want to continue to see me, you just go, what? QR code, click to subscribe, or what's the last one? I don't know. The link. That's the last one, the link. Fuzzy brain for Betsy today, but that's okay because, well, I would say it's close to Friday, but there's no such thing as Friday in real estate because every single solitary day is a Wednesday is what I call it because there's not a such thing as a Monday. There's not a such thing as a Friday. So every day is a Wednesday, middle of the week, you know? Anyhow, if you love what I'm saying, if you want to ask questions, if you have questions about this home, call a girl. And I'm here to answer all of those. Any other questions about this house? Feel free to call me and I will take you on a beautiful tour of this house. We will be open for this house and ready to roll. And hopefully this house will be off the market super quickly.